Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a FundingPips account with USDT. First, create your accounts. Make sure you have a FundingPips account and a crypto wallet or exchange account with USDT available. Next, add USDT to your wallet by buying or depositing USDT, and make sure you have enough balance to cover the account price along with the network fee. After that, go to the FundingPips dashboard and log in to your account, then click on Start Challenge or Buy Account. Now, choose the account type by selecting one-step, two-step, or instant model, and then choose your account size, such as 5K, 10K, or 25K. Next, go to the payment page by clicking Checkout or Continue Payment. After that, select Crypto Payment and choose USDT as your payment method. Now, copy the payment details carefully. You will see the wallet address, the network type, such as TRC20 or ERC20, and the exact amount. Make sure you copy everything correctly. Then, open your crypto wallet or exchange. Go to Withdraw, select USDT, paste the FundingPips wallet address, choose the same network type, enter the exact amount, and confirm the transaction. After that, complete the security verification by entering your email code and two-factor authentication code. Now, wait for confirmation. The crypto transfer usually takes around 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the network. Finally, after confirmation, you will receive your account details, including trading login and platform access such as MT4, MT5, or CTrader. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.